Here I have three 0.22 microfarad capacitors, and I've got one currently connected up to the sensor to be able to measure its capacitance, which is measuring 0.2. You can then ask the pupils what happens if I add another one in parallel. Just getting the wires to touch, just like that, so they're in parallel, and then we can see that it has doubled from 0.2 up to about 0.4, and then you can get them to hypothesize what you think is going to happen when we add another 0.2 microfarad capacitor, and what do we know? It's gone to 0.6, and so you can then get them to try and derive an equation, which is just going to be in parallel. We just add them together, and you could try that then with a different size capacitor, such as this one here, and then get them to guess what size that capacitor is, and to guess and check that method. From there you can then get them to figure out what do you think is going to happen in series, and so you can just get one, and you're getting your 0.22 microfarad. You can then just get them to be touching, so now we've got two in series, we're getting about 0.1, and then we have three in series, we're getting, when they're touching, 0.72. So you can get them to derive the capacitor equation for capacitors in series and capacitors in parallel. So in parallel, you just add them, and in series, it's 1 over this one, plus 1 over that one, plus 1 over that one, and 1 over the total answer, which will give you that.